Get up, Milo. Get up. Get up. Go, Yair. Better, Milo. Go, come on. Come on, goalie. Get him, Milo. Jerk. Jerk. Get him, get him. Vamos ganando 1-0. Ya metió el primero. No, está esperando la pelota. Milo. Get the ball up, up. Nice. Throw it, throw it.
Good job, El. Good job, man. Guys, turn around. Hey, it's black ball. Down the line. Beautiful. Good job, there you go. Good job, man.
Go, 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 go. All right. Get the ball up, kick it up.
Whoa!
Hey, stay wide. You and Abe are too close. Hey, you and Emiliano are too close.
Guys, don't let him. Oh, oh. Su equipo.
No.
Outside, outside. Here, that's your ball. A little bit strong. Be in front of it. Be in front of it. Go, go, go.
Equipo de él, pero no.
Good job.
No juega. Tenía el gol, pero.
Don't stop, baby.
Take
that ball.
Go, Gary!
There you go, Jude. Get it out of there. Get it out, hey, Jude.
Cheers, Milo, kick it up. Cheers. Look at the ball, look at the ball.
Woo!
Black throw. Come on, Cannon. Cannon.
Cannon!
Let's go, Sammy! All right, Sammy, let's score a goal.
Oh no. Just throw it off.
Pay attention, that ball's coming this way. Good turn. Elias, when somebody gets past you, there you go. Watch it. Right, turn up.
Go, Sammy, go!
Watch it. Okay, go. There you go. Put up with your ball.
No, no se fue. Casi.
Go, Cole. Go, Cole.
Sammy. You did a good job.
Jackson wide.
Hard kick.
Quítala, Yair. Es que cobra uno.
There we go, one. Go, Sammy, one.
Go, Gary.
No.
Jace, get down there, Jace. Get down there. Hey, don't give him free. Keep the pressure on. What's up, ref? Jace, mark 12. Mark 12.
Go, Sammy, go. Go. Come on, Gage, stay with it, boys.
Get it back. Jace, Elias, back off.
Go, Gary. No lo podía agarrar el portero porque eran pases de...
Corner, Jace. Hey, put it in front of the goal. Right there. Elias, get ready. Get ready. Elias, come to this. All good. Be prepared. Don't move too far back. Keep that pressure right here.
Vamos, Yair. Quítate las ganas.
Andy, this is your spot. Do it. Elias, go.
Go,
Get on that ball.
Josh, come here. Hey, you're on the right there. You're way too deep. Your ball's up here. Kieran, you okay? Jackson, sit. Slow it down there for you to bid, right?
Julian, check your shoe. Challenge the babe.
Jackson, keep going. Jackson, keep
Cover someone, Cannon. Cover him.
Right there. Good job, babe.
Ya tenemos un
You got this, Julian. Sneeze, buddy.
Come on, Sammy. Win that ball. Talk to each other. Behind the white line, Sammy. Behind the white line.
Good job.
Oh my gosh.
Go, 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 go. Down the line, boys. Go behind the line, Sammy.
You guys got it. You guys got it. Hey,
Oh, yeah, go.
you.
Go, go.
There it is. Move up, move up. Get it. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Be awake. Be awake. Elias. Hey, good job. Good job. Elias, look behind you.
Get out there, Sammy.
Jackson, Mike, come here.
Good job, Sammy.
Shake it off, Sammy.
Where's the goal, Sammy?
Go, Julie, go. Go. Keep going, ball.
¡Go, Yair!
Sammy, go!
Pull it this way. Go.
Get it, Cole.
Julian, Cole,
Go, Cole, ball the ball. Go, go.
Yes.
Black ball.
Wait, now, go. Go, this way, go now. Go, don't wait. Don't wait. Samuel, come this way. Go.
Sammy!
Go, Yair!
Hey, Elias, you gotta be up there. Go. Watch it, don't fight over. Elias, move it up. Go, Yair.
Pass it up. That's you.
Hey, Cole. Hey, that was good. My bad. You know, when you start to move that ball forward, it's going to be Julie. He's shooting down, right? So if you know you're going to get it, tell Julie and say, hey, Julie, maybe you can get way down there. You know what I mean? I'll work together.
That's you, Shannon. Good job, Edge. Go.
Oh! Ya, el portero lo paró.
Good shot. Good try.
Go, Sam, spread out. Guys, turn around.
There it is. Pass it up.
All right, keep on in control. Go. Elias, it's your spot. Go, ball.
It's open, Sammy.
Watch number 2.
Gary, where are you? Oh! Gary!
Elijah, you ready? Watch it. Go, Blake. Go, Blake. Go get the ball. Go, Watch it. Hey. Go, Blake. Go. Go. Don't worry. Put it up. Put it up.
Yeah, no.